We are pleased to show you the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.